What if I told you that summer isn't just a time for heat waves and sunburn, but actually the best season to grow fresh, vibrant vegetables at home? Sun, cucumber. Most people think summer gardening is tricky, that the heat will scorch plants or slow growth. They avoid planting, buy vegetables from stores, and miss out on the incredible taste and nutrition of homegrown produce. But here's the truth. Summer is perfect for fast-growing, high-yield vegetables that love warmth and sunlight. Imagine walking into your backyard or balcony garden on a bright summer morning, picking juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, or sweet bell peppers straight from your plants. No pesticides, no expensive grocery trips, just pure, fresh food ready to eat. Sounds amazing, right? In today's video, we're going to reveal exactly which vegetables thrive in the summer heat, how to care for them, and simple tips to boost your harvest even if you're a beginner with limited space. By the end, you'll see summer as the most productive gardening season ever. Let's get growing. Plant, tomato, carrot.
1. Tomatoes, summer superstar. Tomatoes are the ultimate summer vegetable. They thrive in warm temperatures and full sunlight, making summer the perfect season for them. They grow best in fertile, well-draining soil and need regular watering, especially during dry spells. Whether you grow them in garden beds, raised containers, or even pots on a balcony, tomatoes reward you with abundant harvests. Different varieties like cherry, Roma, or beefsteak can suit different needs. Regular pruning of lower leaves and supporting them with stakes or cages ensures healthy growth and prevents disease. Sun-ripened tomatoes have a natural sweetness and rich flavor that store-bought varieties rarely match. By planting tomatoes in early summer, you can enjoy fresh salads, sauces, and cooking-ready fruits right from your garden. Plus, summer warmth helps tomatoes grow faster, reducing the time from planting to harvest. 2. Bell peppers, colorful and sweet. Bell peppers are perfect for summer because they love heat and sunlight. They can grow in garden beds or containers and produce vibrant green, red, yellow, or orange fruits. Warm weather helps the peppers develop sweet flavors and thicker walls. Start with healthy seedlings, plant them in fertile soil, and provide support if needed. Consistent watering is essential, especially during dry spells, but avoid overwatering. Fertilizing every few weeks encourages strong fruit production. Summer is ideal because peppers struggle in cold weather but thrive under high temperatures. With regular care, bell peppers can produce an impressive number of fruits throughout the season. They're perfect for salads, stir-fries, and grilling. Their ability to thrive in hot weather makes them an essential summer garden crop. 3. Cucumbers, crisp summer delight. Cucumbers are fast-growing, heat-loving vegetables that flourish in summer. They need full sunlight and plenty of water for juicy, crisp fruits. Growing cucumbers vertically on trellises saves space, reduces disease, and makes harvesting easier. There are bush and vining varieties. Vining cucumbers produce more but need support, while bush types are perfect for small spaces. Fertile, well-draining soil enriched with compost ensures strong growth. Summer heat accelerates fruiting, allowing multiple harvests in one season. Regular harvesting encourages continuous production. Cucumbers are refreshing in salads, sandwiches, and pickling. Their ability to thrive in hot weather makes them an essential summer garden crop. 4. Zucchini, the productive squash. Zucchini is a summer favorite because it grows rapidly and produces abundant fruits. It loves full sun and warm temperatures and is very easy to cultivate. Plant them in fertile soil with good drainage and ensure enough space between plants because zucchini spreads quickly. They grow quickly, often producing harvestable fruits within 6 to 8 weeks. Picking zucchini regularly encourages the plant to keep producing. Summer heat supports flower and fruit development, making zucchini highly productive. They can be used in stir-fries, baked dishes, or simply grilled. Their high yield and minimal care make them one of the most satisfying vegetables for summer gardeners. 5. Eggplants, Warm weather powerhouse. Eggplants thrive in the heat of summer, producing beautiful purple fruits that are versatile in cooking. They require full sunlight, fertile soil, and consistent watering. Heat-loving, they grow best when night temperatures stay above 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 degrees Celsius. Supporting the plant with stakes prevents stems from breaking under the weight of the fruits. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and keeps roots cool. Regular harvesting ensures continued fruit production throughout summer. Eggplants are perfect for grilling, baking, and stir-frying. With proper care, eggplants reward gardeners with a steady supply of nutritious, high-value vegetables during the hot season. 6. Okra, heat-loving superfood. Okra is one of the easiest vegetables to grow in summer. It loves heat and sunlight and can tolerate dry soil better than most vegetables. Planted directly in fertile, well-draining soil and thin seedlings to allow strong growth. Okra grows quickly, producing tender pods that can be harvested multiple times during summer. Regular picking encourages more flowers and pods, ensuring a long harvest season. It's drought-tolerant but benefits from occasional watering during dry spells. Okra is widely used in stews, soups, and curries, and its resilience to heat makes it perfect for summer gardens. 7. Sweet corn, warm weather staple. Sweet corn is a classic summer vegetable that thrives in warm, sunny conditions. It needs fertile soil and consistent watering, especially during tasseling and ear formation. Corn requires space to grow, so planting in blocks rather than single rows ensures better pollination. Summer warmth accelerates growth and enhances natural sweetness in the kernels. Regular care, such as weeding and mulching, ensures healthy plants. Corn can be harvested when kernels are plump and milky, perfect for grilling, boiling, or adding to salads. Its height and productivity make it a rewarding summer crop for gardeners. 8. Green beans, quick summer crop. Green beans flourish in summer due to the warmth and longer daylight. They grow fast, producing edible pods within weeks. Both bush and pole varieties are suitable. Bush beans are compact, while pole beans need a trellis but produce more. Plant seeds in well-draining, fertile soil with full sun exposure. Regular harvesting encourages continued production. Green beans are low maintenance and can tolerate occasional heat. They're versatile in cooking, perfect for stir-fries, steaming, or salads. Summer conditions ensure a quick, consistent yield, making green beans a must-have vegetable in every summer garden.